Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, Tacoma SRT5 YouTube channel, Amazon diesel engine, Will It Run series. This 180, what is it? I have to look every time. 186 FA diesel engine. I believe it's 10 horsepower, 20 foot-pounds of torque. Today's sample fuel is blackjack hydraulic oil. So let's see. Might not have enough, but I guess we'll find out. Who knows how old this is. We got a little used motor oil left over from the last video. It's hard to get it all out, but yeah, there should be enough in there. There we go. Fuel line's on, beginning to trickle down. Now I found what's kind of key is getting the air out of the line. So I'm going to open this diesel line, and the diesel is going to flow, getting all the air bubbles out. Pushing all that stuff out. So, okay, that should be enough. So the line is full of diesel, but we're gonna run on that waste oil. So let's get it going. Get our throttle on. Oop. There we go. Fuel is on. Diesel is off. Work through those air bubbles. Back in a little bit. Alright, we are officially into the hydraulic jack oil. You can tell it's been discolored by the motor oil. Alright, now that I've got my solar panel polished, and I was going to make a video out of that as soon as I started. I realized I should have, but again, I don't know how to film edit. So, white diamond metal polish. They've not paid me. This is just a fantastic product. And this is all faded. Now it's all shiny. So that'll work well. We are about to run out of fuel. Set her down. There we go. Now a little better. We'll shut her down. We'll call this one a win. Hydraulic jack oil works. Well, any comments, suggestions, ideas, post them up. Let me hear about them. Please consider liking and subscribing. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers so I can get paid to do this sort of thing. But if not, that's cool too. Have a good one.